All right, it is about 6:30 right now. Kopek and I slept up in the mountains near Sparks Lake, and this morning we're gonna head out and do South Sister. It's the third tallest mountain in Oregon, and we've had, it looks like, a little bit of snow in the mountains this week, so it's gonna be an adventure, and it's gonna be a cold one because it's like 30 degrees right now. I thought Kopek was gonna have to be on leash the whole hike, but just saw the sign that said dogs required to be on leash July 15th to September 15th. And we're just outside that window. It's September 21st today. So filled out my wilderness permit and we are off. Pretty bummed with myself. I just took out my camera because I got to a spot where I could see Mount Bachelor and South Sister and Broken Top on 3 different sides of me. I'm just kind of reached this little crest area, and the battery was dead. Whatever, I brought 2 extras. Both those were dead also. So I don't have any actual camera. I'm just using my GoPro, and I'll probably take some footage with my phone. That's all I've got here. And man, I could have used the camera to take some pretty sweet shots right now. We got that twilight, nice soft light, and I'm pretty bummed with myself here. So from this little plateau here, we've got views of quite a bit of pretty awesome stuff. So let me point it out to you. So that one there is South Sister. If we turn over this way, kind of blocked by the sun, but that there is Broken Top. Did that hike a few weeks ago. If we go all the way over to this side, right there we have Mount Bachelor, which is our ski resort. So far, a pretty awesome hike. The worst thing about it is that I forgot my camera. I'm still super bummed about that. I'm gonna try not to think about it too much, dwell on it too much, and get what I can from the GoPro, but kind of a bummer. Just reached this crest. It's incredibly windy. You got a little tiny lull in the wind, but it's freezing. So on that massive hill right there. Quite the hike. I have since about mile 2 blisters on my heels. And every upward step I slide back into the blister again. It's killing me. It's definitely quite a difficult hike. And I'm gonna be happy if I make it. Oh my gosh. We made all the elevation gain. Now we're cutting the crater of this South Sister here. I'm gonna go over that way, because people are telling me it's less windy when you get over there. So it'll be easy breakfast. But, made it. Not freaking easy. Right, heading back down. I had a fantastic time at the top. It was beautiful. The other side wasn't so windy, and got some food in my belly, and just happy now. Happy that my legs aren't gonna hurt, and happy to be headed downhill. I put on my coils so that I'm nice and firm on the way down, not slipping on snow or anything. Kopec is happy. It's a good day. Here we are, 10 miles in to a 12-mile hike, and Kopec is bouncing around, happy as ever, tons of energy, just loving it, which was a little bit unexpected. I was uncertain how she was going to do on this particular hike, because she just overheats so quick. Luckily, it's been a very chilly hike. I've had jackets and sweatshirts on, as you've seen most of it. I'm just now getting into lower elevations again with the sun up, so it's a little bit warmer. But she is killing it today. Pretty formidable looking peak there. Pretty stoked that we made it.